Okay, welcome. My name's Mark, and I'm going to be filling in for Richard from now on. This channel has been getting a lot of complaints about swearing, rudeness, and all-around aggressive behavior, and I can tell you that you're not going to get any of that from me, and this channel is just going to be about good, wholesome learning and fun from now on. So in today's video, we're going to be critiquing Scot Mendelson's diet advice, so let's roll the first clip.
I like to eat clean. I eat pre-contest bodybuilding pretty much all year long. So today, first we're going to talk about salmon. You want your metabolism to speed up. So the fish products in particular, they burn up really quickly. Salmon's high in fat, but it's the good fat that you need.
Okay, yeah, maybe this is more of a job for Richard. Well, okay, first off, it's probably not a great idea to take diet advice from a guy who looks like he's 8 months pregnant with triplets. And then once he tells you to eat foods that are correlated with weight gain and diabetes, it's probably a good idea to just turn away now. Not to mention, fish is the highest dietary source of methionine, which is a known cancer promoter, and fish also happens to be high in endocrine-disrupting pollutants. So why would you eat fish to get your essential omega-3 fatty acids when you could just eat nuts and seeds which are high in ALA, or you could just take an algae-based DHA supplement?
Vitamin C is a vital part of life, okay? Everybody, they promote like orange juice with large amounts of vitamin C. The bottom line is fruit really is pure sugar.
Fruit is pure sugar. Scot Mendelson. So here's another idiot who doesn't understand that fruit has a combination of fiber, nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which all help to slow down glucose absorption and blunt the insulin spike that sugar would otherwise cause.
But the bottom line is, when you break down fruit, your body doesn't know whether it's fruit or a Snicker bar.
And despite fruit having absolutely no correlation to liver fibrosis, along with preventing diabetes and increasing weight loss, this idiot still thinks it's a good idea to not eat any fruit, and look at the amazing results it got him.
There are a lot of components in sugar that are just so bad for you, but the reason why sugar's around is because it's such a multi-trillion-dollar business.
Sugar. It's a trillion-dollar business. Scot Mendelson.
And when you get sugar, what happens is your pancreas produces insulin. When that happens, you have body fat storage.
And what the fuck is with people not understanding insulin response? Animal protein is as insulinogenic as pure sugar. So if Scott thinks that high insulin spikes cause fat storage, then he'd have to agree that meat promotes weight gain. And it seems that Scott is in fact eating a lot of meat.
So everybody that thinks they're eating healthy by eating all these fruits and everything, it's not what you think it is. You're actually hurting yourself by eating fruit.
You're hurting yourself by eating fruit. Scot Mendelson.
And beans. Beans happen to be a great source of protein and carbohydrates.
You finally got one right, Scott!
Lentil beans have a great source. They're 18 grams of protein per serving. So if you mix them with rice and an animal protein.
You fucked it up.
Let's talk about eggs. Eggs are a complete food. You could basically survive off of an egg if you had to. People have the misconception that they're going to get too much cholesterol from eating eggs. But the protein, there's 6 grams of protein in an egg, and I've eaten up to 40 eggs in a day.
"40 eggs? Scott, I am seriously concerned for you now. The Harvard Nurses study found that eating just 1 egg a day has the same associated risk on all-cause mortality as smoking 5 cigarettes a day for 15 years. And eating just 2 to 3 eggs a week doubles your diabetes risk."
It supplies you also with choline, which basically gives you the brain function and the memory. So I think that's pretty good to have, you know what I mean? You want to remember, you want to be healthy, so...
I don't think choline is helping you stay sharp, but I do know it's helping you get heart disease and cancer. So there's that.
So, I'm Scot Mendelson. I believe in eggs.
I believe in eggs. Scot Mendelson.
Beef. What a relief. When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and how.